Standard 11th Lesson 2 Biological Classification Part 2. Kingdom Fungi. Fungi, they are heterotrophic, that is, they depend on other animals and plants for the food. Example, mold, it is found on the bread. Mushroom, it is edible and have dome cap like structure on the stalk. While toadstools, they are inedible round cap on the stalk. Parasitic fungus, for example, white spots on the mustard leaves that is formed, that is due to albugo. Wheat rust, example, Puccinia. Uses of fungi. Yeast, it is used for preparing bread and beer. Penicillium, used for preparing antibiotics. Where they are found, its habitat, it is cosmopolitan. It is found in air, water, soil, on animals and plants. Its structure. Yeast is the exceptional case which is unicellular in nature. Fungi, its structure, it is filamentous and each filament is called as hypha. Network of hypha, it is called as mycelium. Now hypha, they are of two types, septate and aseptate. Septate having cross walls are present in between and in each one there is a nucleus, while aseptate cross walls are absent, so called as cenocytic hypha, cenocytic hypha, as it has multinucleated cytoplasm. So no cross walls are present and nucleus are present, so it is called as cenocytic hypha. Then its cell wall. Cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharide. Now fungi, its type. It can be saprophytic, it can be parasitic, or it can be symbiotic. Saprophytic, which lives on dead and decaying substances. Parasitic lives on plants and animals. While symbiotic, example lichen, that is both are benefited. Algae and fungi live together and both are benefited from one another. Another example along with the roots of higher plants. Example is mycorrhiza. So mycorrhiza provides water and mineral nutrient to the higher plant and higher plant provide food to the mycorrhiza. So this 80% of the higher plants have association with the mycorrhiza. Other examples of pteridophytes like fern and then crop plants like cereals, they also have this association with mycorrhiza. Reproduction in case of fungi is by vegetative method, asexual method or sexual method. Vegetative method by fragmentation, fission or by budding. Asexual method by producing spores. The name of the spores are conidia, sporangiospores and zoospore. While sexual reproduction is by oospore, ascospores and basidiospores. The four classes of fungi are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. The structure of conidia, that of zoospore and that of sporangia. Now let us see these classes one by one. First one, that is Phycomycetes. Habitat, where they are found? They are aquatic, on decaying wood, in moist and damp places. They can be found as obligate parasite, that is they cannot complete its life cycle without the host. Structure, mycelium is aseptate and that condition is called as cenocytic. Reproduction, asexual reproduction by producing zoospore which are motile, which can move, and aplanospore which are non-motile. Spores are produced within the sporangium endogenously, that is within inside is called as endogenously. Sexual reproduction, fusion of gametes give rise to zygospore. Gametes can be isogametes having same shape, anisogamous, different shape or oogamous. Examples of Phycomycetes are Rhizopus, which is found on the bread, Mucor, albugo, which forms disease in mustard. Ascomycetes. Habitat, saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, coprophilous, that is grows on the dung. Structure, mostly multicellular, exception yeast which is unicellular, also called as Saccharomyces. Penicillium is multicellular. Mycelium is branched and septate. Reproduction, asexual reproduction by producing conidia. This produce exogenously on conidiophores, that is outside. Sexual reproduction is by producing ascocarp, which are endogenously in sac like asci on ascocarps, which is the fruiting body. Examples are aspergillus, claviceps, neurospora, which can be also utilized in genetic work and biochemical work. Morels and truffles, which are edible and used as delicacies. Next one, that is Basidiomycetes. Habitat: grows on soil, on logs, tree stumps. Parasite in plants, example rust and smut. Structure: mycelium is branched and septate. Reproduction: no sexual spores are formed. Vegetative reproduction takes place with the help of fragmentation. Sexual reproduction, that is sex organs are absent in this. Then also sexual reproduction takes place, that is plasmogamy takes place, and fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells takes place. Not the reproductive cells, somatic cells of different genotypes. It results into dikaryotic stage and forms dikaryon. Give rise to basidium. Basidium are in basidiocarps, that is the fruiting body. Basidium will undergo meiosis and produces 4 basidiospores. It produces exogenously outside. Examples are agaricus, that is called mushroom, astiligo, which causes smut disease, and Puccinia, which causes rust disease. Next one, that is Deuteromycetes. It is also called as imperfect fungi because only the sexual or vegetative phases of this are known. Structure: mycelium is septate and branch. Habitat: where they are found, they can be saprophytic, parasitic, and large number of them are decomposers of litter and helps in mineral cycling. Reproduction only by sexual methods. Spores are called as conidia. Examples are Alternaria, Calectotrichum, and Trichoderma.